Hey everybody, Rucker here. Thanks so much for watching. Today I'm going to be checking out Disney's Doorables. That's thanks to the King family from Cincinnati for sending me this adorable surprise. So shout out to Casey and Michaela. I can't wait to open up and see what's inside. So if you've been watching any of my videos recently, you know that I've been checking out the LOL surprises. What's going on here? Please help me. I'm loving the trend of toys that you don't know what you're getting, but the excitement is that you get to unwrap it. I wish I would have thought of it myself. But Disney jumped on the trend and now they have Disney Doorables. Behind every door, a surprise is in store. So I think the concept behind Doorables is that you open the doors. They have a ton of cute little Disney characters here on the side, and it says, how many figures inside? 5, 6, or 7? I guess you don't know. But that's the excitement of opening the doors. It says there are 78 different Disney characters to collect, and they range from common to rare to ultra rare to limited edition and special edition. But you're gonna be excited because inside every pack there's a fuzzy figure. So I don't know what any of this means, but let's go ahead and start popping open those doors. Okay, it says this is good for ages 5 and up, and last time I checked, 31 is up, so I'm in. Oh, it says open me and peek inside. Okay, the door is perforated. Oh, okay, cute. It's like a cute little house that they live in. Now, I will say, already it's a little bit easier to deal with than the LOL surprises, and this is paper, so there's a lot less plastic flying around in my house, which I enjoy. Also, it says they have sparkly glitter eyes, which appears a little bit frightening, but we'll see how it turns out. Let's open the first door. Oh, okay. In the first door is a little wrapped baggie. Okay. Okay, all right. We have a mouse with sparkly eyes. Who are you? I don't know who this is. Does anyone know who this is? I can't tell. Okay, I looked it up and this appears to be Dormouse from Alice in Wonderland, and he's in the rare category, so that's exciting. I didn't know who he was, but now that I know that he's rare, I'm loving it. So inappropriate because his name is Dormouse, and the Adorables package, I'm here for it. So I'm gonna put him right here so don't lose him. Off to door number 2. See if I know who this one is. This is Cogsworth from Beauty and the Beast. I'm loving it, and he's really glittery. He's glittery, so glittery that it came off on my hand a little bit, but I'm okay with that. I'm fine with it. Cogsworth is in the ultra rare category. That means not a lot of people have this one, I'm hoping. Check him out. Look at that glitter. Ooh. He's one of my favorites anyway. Open it up. These are super easy to deal with. Oh, this is that little thing, I want to say from Mallanna, I think. Yes, this is Pua Pig from Mallanna. He's adorable. Okay, 3 down, 2 to 3 more left to go. Oh, there's a guide in here. Maybe that would have helped me. Oh yes, this is very, very, very helpful. We have Moana, Pua the Pig. He is classified as, he's common, all right? He's common, that's fine. You guys, it's Eeyore and he's fuzzy. Okay, this is the most adorable one so far. If you collect Funko Pops, this is similar to the flocked Funkos. This Eeyore is a cutie. All right, one more big door to open. Let's see what we've got. It is Rapunzel. Look at all that hair. Oh my goodness. Rapunzel is in the rare category, and you can see as I spin her, she is mostly hair, which is appropriate because Tangled, but she is super cute. She also came with a little stand too, which is nice. So you just poke it in the bottom of the toy there and you can stand her up. Guys, this was a super cute experience. I ended up getting 5 toys out of my door house. I guess you could kind of keep these boxes if you wanted to make a little Doorable village out of. Otherwise, it's a lot less waste than the LOL surprises. There's only a few little baggies that you need to get rid of, but they're kind of similar to the Tsum Tsum toys that I magically now have here in my hand. Like here's Buzz Lightyear, Dumbo, but these are smaller. Now looking over the guide here, there are some pretty important ones that I would love to get. I'd love to have the wardrobe from Beauty and the Beast. I would love to have Maui from Moana. Lilo and Stitch, you know, I don't care for. I don't like how they promoted Lilo and Stitch, having him destroy all the other Disney movies. I didn't think that was cool. Or cute. I need to get more of these. So all in all, I think I'd say I'm pretty darn satisfied with my Disney Doorables experience. It was super easy to just open up, check out who's inside. I got a Disney princess. I got a classic character from Beauty and the Beast. I got an obscure mouse that I'd never heard of. I got the cute pig from Moana. And finally, I got the fuzzy Eeyore, which I think is my favorite. I'm gonna put him right on my desk. He's just so darn cute. So if you wanna check out Disney Doorables, see the link in the description box below and let me know who you got. And finally, if you've never heard of Cameo, it's a super cool app where you can get shout outs from people that you know. I'm on it, so you can check out the link in the description box below to get a cameo from me. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll see you next time.